Yes, here the next topic we are having a types of teeth and their functions. Okay, let me see that what is a type of teeth and what is a number and what is a function. We already list out a 4 type of teeth, right? That is the same here, a number, which a teeth is belong to which number, and next one a function. What is a function of teeth? Let me know that the first one is incisors, right? Here the number of incisors is 8, and next one is a functions is cutting and biting. What is a function of an incisors? Cutting and biting. Cutting na enna வெட்றது சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, biting na கடிக்கிறது. So the help of an incisors they are doing a cutting and a biting function. And next one is next type of teeth is canines. What is the next one? Canines. Here a number of canines is 4, and here they are having some function of canines. First one is the tearing and next one is the perching. What is the next one? Tearing and perching. The first thing tearing. Tearing na enadhu பிடிச்சு இழுக்கிறது சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, and perching. Perching na தொலையிட்டு உள்ள பிடிச்சு இழுக்க. When you are using of a teeth, just they are insert to that. அந்த ஒரு flesh இருந்தனா insert பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா தான் இழுக்கும். So perching. And next one is a type of teeth is premolar. What is the next a type of teeth? Premolar. And here they are having some count 8. Here this is the function of premolar: crushing and grinding. Crushing and grinding. Crushing to grinding, what is the difference? Crushing அப்படினா நுறுக்கிறது, ஓகேமா. grinding அப்படினா அரைக்கிறது. Crushing and grinding, this is the function of a premolar. Food material just they are crush and grind to that. First with the help of incisors bite பண்ணு cut பண்ணு, and next one canines this tear the fleshes are perching to that. perch பண்ணி தான் tear பண்ண முடியும். And next one premolar, perch பண்ணதையும் tear பண்ணதையும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? Next we want to do that crushing and grinding, இல்லையா? And next thing is a molar. This is the last type of a teeth. A number of teeth is 12. Here they are having some functions: a crushing, grinding and mastication. Crushing, grinding we already seen that, right? Crushing na enna சொன்னோம்? Yes, நொறுக்கிறது சொன்னோமா? And grinding அரைக்கிறது சொன்னோமா? Mastication, which means மெல்றது சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is the mastication. Let we know that a diagrammatic representation way of a teeth arrangement. Let me know that. Just an example to you. சரியாப்பா? First thing, just imagine this is the upper jaw and here this is the lower jaw. How many teeth are present? We have said 32. 32 is a set of teeth, and here this is the what? Upper jaw, and here this is the lower jaw. First set of teeth is what? Incisors. How many? 8. Appo 8 na, here they are having a 4 and here they are having a 4. So upper jaw they are having a 4 and lower jaw they are having a 4. We know that how they are arranged. First thing, take an half of one ஒரு ஜாலே ஆஃப் எடுத்துப்போம், சரியாமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எத்தனை இருக்கு? அப்பர் ஜால 4 இல்லையா? So here they are having a 2 and this side they are having a 2. சரியா? ஒரே ஒரு ஜால ஆஃப் எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Okay, here they are having a 2 and here they are having a 2. And here also they are having a 2. And here also they are having a 2. So just write it. What is in a teeth? Incisors. Okay va? And here label this incisors. Incisors, now just have to count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 vandacha. And function is cutting and biting. And next one, canines. Canines, how many teeth are present? They are said 4. So here they are having a 1, and this side they are also having a 1, and here they are having a 1, and this side they are having a 1. So just count it. Here they are having a 2, and this side, this is the lower jaw, they are having a 2. So what is the name for this ma? Canines. Canines how many? 1 2 3 4. the incisors, and next one caneus is 2 by 2. And let me move the next one, premolar. Here premolar how many? 8. Same like that. Here they are having a 2, and this side they are having a 2, and here also they are having a 2, and same for on this side they are also having a 2. And this is the what? Premolar, and here also premolar, this is also premolar. So let me count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 7 count, 8 count on the cha. So premolar is 4 by 4. And last one is the molar, 12. 12 na divided by 2, 6 illingla. So upper jaw they are having a 6, and lower jaw they are having a 6. Just write 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and here also same 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So totally how many? Here 3, here 3, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is what? Molar. அப்போ molar என்றது எவ்வளோ? 6 by 6, totally 12. Count வந்தாச்சா? So this is what ma? A type of teeth and number of teeth and function. It's easy to understand how they are arranged the teeth in our mouth part. So total எத்தனை இருக்கும்? Here just count on half of that. Half மட்டுமே count பண்ணலாமா? Just write it here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here they are having a 8 set, and here they are having a 8. 8 plus 8 totally 16, and same like that here also 8 8 plus 8 16. So 2 here, take it on 3, totally 3. We already say that their permanent teeth, they are having a 32 set of teeth. 32 teeth are present in the permanent, we say no. So that's it for a teeth arrangement. We and already discuss about some functions also. Okay, let me know that what is in a dental formula, just they are related to this. If you understand to this a diagram, it's easy to write a dental formula. Let me more dental formula of teeth. Yes, here the next one we are having a what? A dental formula of human digestive system. Okay, in the dental formula here I given us some diagrammatic representation of a mouth part. We already discussed about that in a function of teeth, right, for a previous topic. In this, just see here a 4 incisors, and here a 1, and here also 1. This is the caneus, and here a 2. This is the what? Premolar, and last 6, that is the molar. Okay, so this is the what? A type of arrangement of teeth. The dental formula, how they are written based on the type of teeth are present in the upper and lower jaw. Okay, upper and lower jaw present ஆயிருக்க teeth உடைய arrangement base பண்ணி just they are writing a formula. Here they are represented in the form of, just they are denoted as a letter, one letter. Okay, just have to write in a letter first. First what we are saying a teeth, first teeth is a what? Incisors. What is the first teeth ma? Incisors. Here they are denoted as a one letter, that is the I. And next one is the what? Caneus. Here they denoted as a C. And next one is the, we already here written no. And next one is the premolars. Here they are denoted as a PM. And next one is the last type of a teeth is molars. Here they are denoted as a M. So just I, C, P, M, M. This is the denoting letters of a dental formula. Let me write that. We already say that in a previous teeth introduction itself, human teeth, they are present in a two type. A first one is the temporary, and second one is the permanent. We say no, milk teeth and permanent teeth. heterodont சொல்லியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, சரி டைஃபயோடோன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, டைஃபயோடோன்னா என்னது, 2 set of teeth. அப்போ மில்க் டீத் ஒன்று இருக்குது, பெர்மனன்ட் டீத் ஒன்று இருக்குது. let we see that both formula பெர்மனண்ட்டுக்கும் பார்க்கலாம், டெம்பரவரிக்கும் பார்க்கலாம். first set of teeth is a temporary இல்லையா, we are indicate as another term for that, that is the milk teeth. milk teeth க்கு formula பார்க்கலாமா? what is the formula for milk teeth? We already say that what is the count of milk teeth is 20. let me know that how they are represented. First thing is 212 divided by 212. How they are represented? The 212 divided by 212. First thing is the incisors, canines and premolar, molar சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா, here their absence of one set of teeth. milk teethல பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா ஒரு set of teeth வந்து absent ஆயிருக்கும். what is that set of teeth? now there is a last one, molar. here they are just absent in that milk teeth, so that just counted here. we already say na have to take it off of an jaws, or off jaws எடுத்துட்டோம்னாக்கா 2, and here they are represented as a 2, and next 2 1 2 3. here now I say na absence of premolar in the milk teeth, so they are absent to be here 2 1 2. same like that, upper jaw 2 1 2, lower jaw is 2 1 2. so here just count it, 5 divided by 5 இல்லைங்களா, 2 set இல்லையா, so just take a multiply, 5 multiply by 2, how many, here 10, and here also 5 multiply by 2, 10 இல்லையா, so 10 plus 10 is 20. upper jaw is 10, lower jaw is 10. how they are say upper jaw is 10, lower jaw is 10? மோலார் அப்படியே நீங்கள் மறந்துடுங்க சரியா. மோலார் வந்து பேபிஸ்க்கு மில்க் டீத்தில் இல்லை. இங்கே எத்தனை இருக்குமா, 1 2 3 4 5, here 5 and here also 5. upper jaw totally 10, lower jaw same like that, 1 2 3 4 5, here 5 na, so 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 20. so milk teeth, their presence of 20. same like that in a permanent teeth. permanent teeth, how they are represented, the formula, this is the milk teeth formula. yeah, if you have seen a permanent teeth, how they are represented, here the permanent teeth na their presence of molar, so 5 plus 3 is 8. same like that, here also 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8, 8 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, and here also 5 plus 3 is 8, here 8 is 8, 16, 16 16. so 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 we already know that permanent set of teeth. let me write a formula for a permanent teeth. a first thing, same like that, take an off of the jaws, upper side la off of the jaw எடுத்துக்கலாமா. first 1 2, that is the incisors is 2, here lower jaw is incisors is 2, and next one is what, canines. how many, 1. here upper jaw they are having a 1, lower jaw they are having a 1, so 1 by 1. and next one is the premolar. here 1 2, lower jaw is 1 2, so 2 by 2, and upper jaw is a molar 1 2 3, molar 3, lower jaw 1 2 3. so this is what ma a formula of permanent teeth. just like an overall formula, 2 1 2 3 divided by 2 1 2 3. let me count it, here 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 is what, 8, and here 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. okay இது வந்து half of set of தான் இல்லைங்களா. இப்போ halfல வந்து 8, இன்னொரு half சேம் என்னது 8 இல்லையா. இப்போ same like that in the other side also. So 16 divided by 16. Upper jaw, this is not a divide. Okay ma, upper jaw lower jaw da. Appo upper jaw lower jaw plus panna enna varum, totally 32. So permanent teeth they are having a 32. This is not a divide panna poradilla. Upper lower jaw they are indicated as like this. Okay, so that's it for a dental formula of human alimentary canal. Let me move on next one, salivary gland. Okay, let me see that salivary gland.